Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. Today I would like to talk with you about bow strokes. And the bow stroke that we will talk about, in my opinion, is the most hardest bow stroke, and it will be spiccato. Usually spiccato is not very fast bow stroke, so we are using this stroke in middle tempos. Basically, if we will try to draw spiccato on piece of paper, it will look just like this: a dot and this curved line. So how spiccato will sound if we will use the bow? So dot, and we are lifting the bow. Dot, and we are lifting the bow. Also very important to play spiccato in the lower part of the bow. Not here, it's almost not possible. Or here. Here we are playing other bow stroke, but about that stroke we will talk a little bit later. So back to spiccato. You know now that spiccato has to be played in the lower part of the bow. When you are playing dot, after, don't forget to lift your bow. Otherwise we will have martelé. No, for spiccato you have to lift the bow. For the beginning it will be hard for you to do the dot and lift, do the dot and lift. So what you can do? You can do dot next to the frog and then dot next to the tip of a bow. Dot or accent. Again, dot down, dot up, down, up, and try to speed up a little bit. This time we use all bow. Then we can use bow from the frog till half of the bow. The same thing, dot at the frog and the middle of the bow dot. Don't forget to lift your bow. And then we will shorten the distance. Again, from the frog till here somewhere. And then the bow can be very short. It will be very helpful if you will try to help yourself with the all fingers. The movement have to look like this. By the way, if you visit my channel first time and you don't know how to navigate through it, I'll leave for you a link down below in the comments with the playlist. I have so many information on my channel. For example, like music theory lessons for the beginners, violin lessons for the beginners, or intermediate lessons for violin players, and of course reviews for strings, for rosin, or how to tune your violin, and so on. And also you always can follow the cards that will appear above my head. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. Like this you will get a notification that new lesson or new video is available for you. The best way to polish your spiccato is of course open strings or scales. You can play scales one note, double notes, triolet. And by the way, when you're playing a triolet, here you can see how your fingers moving, if they are helping you in your amazing and brilliant spiccato. And so on. So to sum up our lesson about bow stroke spiccato, what spiccato is: accent or a dot, and lift your bow, down bow or up bow. Don't forget to lift your bow, otherwise you'll play martelé. Spiccato have to be played in the lower part of your bow, and of course spiccato is not fast bow stroke. Also, don't forget that your right hand is your best friend. If you have any additional questions or maybe you didn't understand something, you always can ask me here right down below in the comments, or you always can write me on my Instagram page, valeriiavoitko violin, and I'll be happy to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to learn something new. Bye!